Hey there everyone. I figured I'd make a quick tutorial about how to edit the actual sounds in my newest library, the Midi Factory. All the sounds are based off of MIDI input. So what you can actually do is you can take the original MIDI input and you can change it. So I'm going to be going over a couple things here. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go and you're going to open up your sound editor and you're going to be browsing through the sounds. I'm going to be using SoundForge Pro 10 here. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up. So what you're seeing here is the three folders in the Midi Factory. We have the bleeps, the HUD menus and global SFX, and the retro and game. I'm going to go ahead and open up the HUD menus and global SFX first. And as you can see, there's a multitude of sounds. And each sound actually has a corresponding MIDI data number at the very end of it. And what those are used for is actually for you to open up those MIDI files and to edit at your leisure if you like the sound but maybe you want to change something. So I'm going to pick a file and I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can go about making your own. So here we go. Let's pick one here. So let's say you like it, but you want to change the actual instrumentation. So in order to do that, you're going to need a DAW, Digital Audio Workstation. For this example, I'm going to be using Sonar 8. So here I am in Sonar 8 now. And if you look back here, the MIDI number was 372. So I'm going to go ahead and open up MIDI 372. There it is. So here we have the MIDI file, and I'll play it real quick. So there it is, and let's say you have a specific virtual instrument you like to use. You can go ahead and open up your virtual instruments, and you can just pick one at random. I'll just pick one with a preset. There we go. Okay, so that sounds pretty cool. So what I also like to do is add a little bit of bar at the later on so it doesn't cut off while you're bouncing it. So here we go. Now you notice that automatically has a little bit of delay and reverb. If you chose a different virtual instrument that doesn't have delay or reverb, like a real simple square or sawtooth sound, then you might want to consider adding a little bit of delay to it, because it'll give it a little bit of extra. So I'm going to go ahead and bounce that. So here we have our new version of this MIDI file we have created with our virtual instrument. Go ahead and clean it up a bit and listen to it. Sounds nice. Now, a couple things you can do that are really simple is pitch bend, and we'll play around with it. So let's just say I like 10. And maybe I want to add a little chorus or something like that. And so there you have it. You have an updated sound from the original MIDI file that is your own complete creation.